from Mecca to the port. May apoy sa dibdib, rooted in truth. We arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Mecca to the port, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We are back again here on Oragon Sports TV para ihatid po sa inyo ang ating pangatlong laro ngayon sa Ateneo Alumni League 2025. Makakasama niyo pa rin po ang inyong mga commentators, Cristina Cazareas, and with me is Rick Puerta para sa ating Juniors Championship. It's between the batch 2002 and batch 2003.
So another batch na magsasagupaan dito sa ating pangatlong game. So again, this is the AA League 2025 Championship match. Sino ulit ang makakakuha ng panalo between these two batches? So yan ang aabangan natin, kaya tutok lamang po tayo dito sa live streaming ng Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. And sa Facebook page ng AA League, talagang naka-live tayo. And sa mga hindi po makakapunta ulit dito sa ating venue, feel free to comment down below kung sinong team ang gusto nyong manalo this game.
Yes, and of course, sa ating mga team bahay, Rick, nasabi mo nga, we are live on Oragon Sports TV at sa Facebook page din po ng Ateneo Alumni League. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dahil just like our game number 1, game number 2, it will surely be an exciting game. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo dito sa atin.
Yan, on your screen, presenting the players on both teams. In a few minutes, magsisimula po ang ating first quarter with this batches for our Ateneo Alumni League 2025. Again, live na live po tayo sa Ateneo Covered Court to witness this exciting AA League 2025. After presenting the players on both teams, ipapakilala na dito ang first 5 for both teams. So tutok lamang po, babalik po kami maya-maya only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Mecca to the port, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
We are back inside the Ateneo Covered Court para dito sa ating third matchup, our Juniors Championship round between the batch 2002 and 2003. And right now, we are about to witness an exciting game between these two teams. And of course, ang ating starting lineup. Pakikilala na po natin dito sa side ng 2002 and 2003. Ang ating 2002 po, itong ating naka-blue jerseys, while our 2003 players ay naka-yellow jerseys po.
So again, another match to watch. If you are an avid Atenean fan, you should watch this exciting AA League 2025. Ayan, on your screen is the first 5 for both teams. So, who will get the first ball possession? The blue side or the yellow side? Yan ang aabangan natin. Talagang a high-flying afternoon para dito sa ating laro. And first quarter will start with a jump ball. Jersey number 21 and jersey number 3.
Well, let's see here kung kanino mapupunta ang unang ball possession. Goes on to the side of batch 2002. And let's see here, jersey number 43 with the ball. Passes to his teammate, back to 43. Tries for a three-pointer. No good. Rebound by Paz. Now Chankoko with the ball. Passes on the corner for a three-pointer. Still no good here. Maaga-aga pa para dito sa ating first quarter. Now, batch 2002. Jersey number 0. Settling in. Now looking for his teammate. Too short for that one.
So on this first or the early part of our first quarter, medyo hirap dito magkaroon ng point conversion itong dalawang koponan. So who will draw the first blood? Aljores tries for that 3, unsuccessful. Now the ball possession goes on the blue side. Tata, may hawak ng bola dito. Passing it to jersey number 43, back to him. 4-3, no good. And a foul was called to Aljores on that last sequence. So Tata will be having 3 shots para sa side ng Ateneo batch 2002. And it's good. First point of the match.
So let's see here. Tata's second free throw for 2002. Now last free throw here to have 3 points as we are starting this first set. 3 ang naipasok na free throw dito ni Tata. Now 2002 having the 3-point gap, 3-0 nothing run here. Now Chankoko with the ball. But an out of bounds ball. So the opportunity here on the side of 2002. Jersey number 1 passes to 43.
Taking their time here. Jersey number 8. Passing to his teammate. Won a pass. But hindi pumasok yung layup na yon. And now, batch 2003 goes inside. No good. So, foul was called to jersey number 3 on the side of 2002. Jersey number 12 on the side of batch 2003. We'll be having a free throw opportunity. Clean basket for that first attempt. Another one for him. And it goes inside. Now, batch 2002 with the basketball here. Derecho. And a rebound coming from jersey number 5. No good on that layup. Look at that. Tata with that rebound. Loses that one. So back-to-back steal. 3-point. No good. Aljores will try. In and out ball. But a second chance point coming from jersey number 5. And to hear an update on the side of Dos Mil Dos. Let's call our courtside reporter Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita dyan?
Marhay na daw, Bicolandia. History is about to be written right here, right now, as we witness the ultimate showdown in the Ateneo Alumni League Finals Championship on the line. This is your courtside correspondent, Casey Anchoquia, reporting on the sideline of Batch 2002. And before we get into the action, syempre, let's hear it straight from the players themselves. Here with me is Mr. J. Del Lloro, the president of Batch 2002. So hello, sir. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan ng Batch 2002 para makarating dito, what moment this season made you believe na championship team talaga kayo?
Siguro this season kasi yung mga players maka-attend sila every game schedule Sunday para i-represent yung batch ng 2002 sa Ateneo.
Ayan, sir. So, syempre, given na finals game to, dikitan talaga ang laban. Ano ang ginagawa nyo as a team para manatiling kalmado kapag sunod-sunod ang pressure plays?
Siguro kung sa pressure, nandun yung pressure kasi kami yung parang defending champion. Then, ang ginagawa lang ng mga players is mag-usap-usap then kung ano ang diskarte para each and every game kasi ibang diskarte kasi ibang batch. And sa bracket namin, kami yung parang oldest na turning about 40 na. Then, siguro, yun din yung veteran instinct ba? Pagdating sa laro, papapasok na din. Yun lang.
Ayan, sir. Pwede ka pong mag-shoutout sa mga nanonood sa ating live stream via Oragon Sports TV.
Siguro shoutout na lang sa family ko na nasa Legazpi ngayon. Si Clarence, anak ko, Zoe, then yung wife ko, si Sean, then sa lahat ng batch 2002 na nanonood.
Thank you so much, Sir Jay. And we've already heard it from Batch 2002, Rick and Teen. I can already feel it. This is a team that knows what it takes to win when it matters most. Kaya naman tutok lamang dito sa ating live stream via Oragon Basketball League Facebook page. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga, nasabi dito ng Dos Mil Dos. They are the defending champion sa kanilang juniors division. And right now, playing with the Batch 2003. Talagang bigay todo yung ibibigay ng kanilang team. Pero as we can see right now, that's a 3-point gap coming from the side of 2003. Kaya naman, sa side naman ng 2003, anong gagawin nila para makuha yung kampionado from the defending champion themselves? So let's see what will happen in the next quarters, next minutes of this game. And now, as we can see, 2003 with the ball possession. At para makikita tayo ng update on the side of Batch 2003, kasama po natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza.
Just Mabalos, Teen and Rick, and happy Sunday po sa lahat na nakatutok pa rin sa atin ngayon dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're down to the third game for today. It's Batch 2002 and Batch 2003. At ngayon po mga kaibigan, makakasama po natin one of the key players of Batch 2003, Mr. Navarrosa. Hello po, kumusta po?
Okay po. Ngayon man, I'm good.
Mr. Navarrosa, one of the soundtrack, parang catchy line sa soundtrack ng AA League. This is not about the stats, this is about the memory. So my question po, ano yung parang specific memories nyo nung naglalaro kayo dito sa hardcourt na sa tingin nyo parang na-excite kayo at na-miss nyo ngayon dito?
As always, ang look forward ko naman, and kami lahat, is yung camaraderie na build. Kasi it's not just kung the win or loss column, no? It's also yung si lap trip, si mag-aratuman, mag-relatikan. Yan ang, kumbaga yan ang nagbibuild kang brotherhood me as Batch 2003. No?
And we're so excited to see that brotherhood, sir. At ito last question, meron po ba kayong ginawang preparations, mabilisang mga techniques na nakita nyo sa court?
For today, championship, I offered my services para mag-active release sila or myofascial release para to prepare or warm up for the game. Yun yung isa sa mga bagong ginawa nila. Kasi ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito kasi nga part ako ng ibang team na bukal is in season. So ngayon ko na-offer yung services ko sa kanila. Yun yung bago namin ngayon ginawa.
Sir, we are so excited to see your exciting matchups today. Kaya naman tutok ang mga kaibigan dito sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. This is Mary Blessed Elizabeth and this is Mr. Navarrosa. See you!
Ayan, thank you so much for that, Eliza, and for the interview on our key players sa side ng Batch 2003. So yun nga, what a great takeaway on that interview. The camaraderie build as the years passes by, talagang andoon yung bond, yung kulitan, tawanan, at the same time, yung excitement during the games inside the hard court. Yan talaga yung chine-cherish dito nitong alumni, Ateneo Alumni League. Talagang binibigyang highlights dito kung paano na-grow itong mga players na ito at paano sama-sama ulit sila dito sa loob ng court this time and playing championship. So kudos to all the players na naglalaro dito sa AA League. Talagang napakita dito yung bond and excitement during plays inside the hard court. So yan, aabangan natin dito kung talagang magja-jive ba yung players on the side of Ateneo Batch 2003 because at this moment they are having the lead para sa ating first quarter. So, good start for them. Let's see kung babawi dito ang 2002. An attempt for 3-10, unsuccessful. And I want to highlight some of the players for this Ateneo Batch 2003 and 2002. They are former Golden Knights player. Tata, Claveria, Paz, and a lot of players on these two teams. Sila po yung mga varsity dati sa Ateneo Golden Knights. So talagang innate talaga yung basketball capabilities nitong mga players inside the court.
Yes, and of course, itong si Vargas on the side of Batch 2003, we've witnessed him play, I think, during Oragon Basketball League. And right now, he is one of the consistent players here. So let's see, on the Batch 2003, most especially right now, they have the 6-point lead. Talagang pinaghandaan nila yung laban nila against the defending champions, 2002. And with that, a timeout was called here on the side of 2003, 15-7. So the timeout was called on the side of 2002 kasi nakikita naman natin po ngayon dito sa ating first quarter, 8 puntos yung tinrabaho dito na kalamangan ng 2003 with only 2 minutes remaining, more than 2 minutes remaining for our first quarter.
And now after this timeout, let's see kung magkakaroon ba dito ng new style of plays itong Batch 2002, the 2002, because they are down by a couple of points sa ating first quarter. So let's see kung babaguhin ba nilang ihip ng hangin dito sa loob ng Ateneo covered court.
Now let's see here. We're back to the ball game. First quarter, 15-7. Ball possession of 2002. Now jersey number 8. Tatawid dito ng bola. Passes to Priela. They guarded here. Almost loses the ball. Priela on the other corner. Jersey number 8. But the guards there of 2002. Talagang bantay sarado sila dito. Now, 2002 with this ball possession. Paz. That's Tata, rather. Double team. Back to Tata. Gabriela tries for a three-pointer. No good. Nancheta with that rebound. Vargas now for that fadeaway shot. That's good. Now, patuloy-tuloy lang po ang paggawa ng puntos dito ng Batch 2003. That's a big 10-point lead. Double-digit na po agad tayo dito sa ating first quarter. Now, Tata with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Passes to Rempilio for 3. Still no good for 2002. Na Vargas passes to his teammate. Pero whistle foul.
And now, the ball possession still on the side of Batch 2003. Chance for them to strengthen the lead na hawak ng kanilang kupunan Almost loses that one. And what a great steal coming from jersey number 15. Kakapasok pa lang. Pero talagang may impact na dito sa atin with that pass coming from Lilaw. Point conversion ang kasunod.
Now Dasigan with this ball. A minute and 15. This is a fast-paced game right now. Pupunta sa side ng 2002. Calandria. Papahinga muna dito sa side ng batch 2003. 79. Now jersey number 15 again with the ball. Passes to 20. Heavily guarded here. A minute remaining. Air ball. Naghahabol pa rin dito ang 2002 with 52 seconds remaining. Now let's see here. Ruelo. Wala pa rin. Para dito sa 2003. Tata with the ball. Mahigpit na pinagbabantayan dito si Tata sa side ng 2002. Well, he is one of the key players here dito sa ating first quarter. He is one of the players to step up for the team. 27 seconds remaining. Naruelo with the ball. Passes to Ancheta. No good. Second chance point para dito sa 2003. Securing the gap. Now Pruela with 10 seconds. Tatlo. 3v1. Pinagtulungan dito si Priela ng mga players on the side of 2003.
5 seconds remaining para dito sa ating unang quarter end. Ateneo batch 2003 umaarangkada with this double-digit lead. And wow, look at that. A clean basket to end this first quarter. Another 2 points was added on their side. What a great start on the side of 2003. We'll be right back for our second quarter. Dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dala-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. We're rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinabay ng buhay, may tangal at huwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka away now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro.
And we are back inside the Ateneo covered court with our third matchup this afternoon for our juniors championship. It's between the batch 2003 and 2002. Second quarter na po, 19-9. A 10-point lead of 2003, but now ball possession of 2002. Jersey number 15 once again flying, but no good. Offensive rebound, but look at that defense of 2003. Halioras passes to his teammate now, Rico. Passes to Dasigan. Back to Rico. 10 seconds to shoot here. On the corner for 3. That's good!
Wow. What a great 3 points coming from jersey number 12.
Well, the 2003 is on fire for this championship round. Ano pamawi dito ng defending champion, 43. Pumawi din naman for a 3-pointer. Alitan na tayo ng puntos dito. Isang magandang second quarter po ang pasok natin. Now Aljores, no good. Rebound from the side of Dos Mildos.
What a great steal coming from Ancheta. Masyadong nagmamadali on that attempt. It goes outside, so the ball possession goes on the side of Dos Mildos. An opportunity for them to catch the lead on the side of batch 2003. Now Tata asking for a friend here, and now an attempt for three again. No good. Aljores with a rebound, passing it to Ancheta.
Now, 2003 taking their time here now. Jersey number 12. But offensive foul was called on the side of batch 2003. Now an opportunity here for Dos Mildos. 24-12. A big 12-point gap of 2003 here. Now Tata to rebound or to inbound. Passes to jersey number 43, back to Tata. Naghahabol pa rin sila dito. At para makarinig po tayo ng update from the side of batch 2003, ngayon pa, na nasa kanila yung malaking kalamangan, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Eliza.
Teen and Rick, what I've observed in this first quarter is really their eagerness to win and give us a good play. Sabi natin kanina, sabi ni Mr. Navarroza, this is not about the stats but about the brotherhood and their memories. However, iba ata talaga kapag may physical contact na yung laban kasi medyo umiinit talaga. When I met there, sabi nila kanina, binabasa daw nila ang galaw ng kalaban. And here on their side, medyo masaya pa at nababasa pa daw nila yung techniques. And let's see what will happen on the second set. If this match, patuloy bang makukuha nila ang magandang laro o medyo magkakaroon tayo ng kalabuan sa kanilang side. Yan ang ating tutukan dito lang sa GNN TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga kampiyon. For now, back to you, Teen and Rick.
Ayan, thank you so much, Eliza, for that. So yun nga, they are highlighting here the memories and the brotherhood. But look at that. Syempre, if you gain this friendship and brotherhood for a lot of years, talagang the connection is there. Nakikita natin dito na every move on the side of inside the court nitong batch 2003, talagang in sync sila. That's why look at that scoreboard, 28-12, a big lead para dito sa ating second quarter. And yun ang katanungan natin, will the batch 2003 be consistent on their plays at mababasa pa nga ba dito yung ginagawa ng Dos Mildos or hahayaan nilang makahabol dito ang kanilang opponent. And speaking of their opponent, to know more about the batch 2002 of this Ateneo, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey. Hi Casey, anong balita dyan?
Rick and Teen from the sidelines, I can really feel the determination on the side of batch 2002. However, in the last minutes of the first quarter, medyo nagkulang sila sa defensive stops which allowed the batch 2003 to establish a lead. With this, they have to find easy baskets, whether through cuts, transition plays, or second chance points. Once na maging disciplined sila sa depensa, especially on rotations and rebounds, mas magiging comfortable na rin sila sa opensa and they can eventually turn the tide in their favor. Yan muna ang update sa ngayon. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Rick.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan nga po, sinabi dito ni Casey during that halfway of our first quarter. Doon na nagsimula yung pag-abanda ng puntos dito ng 2003. So itong Dos Mildos, up until this quarter, nakikita po natin yung malaking kalamangan na nagawa ng 2003. Kaya anong gagawin nila dito to defend their title, to defend their championship, because it was a smooth game for 2003 as we are watching right now. So ano pang bawi nila doon sa sunod-sunod na pagpuntos, ang gandang connection na pinapakita ng 2003 dito. So let's see, itong Dos Mildos, kung mababawasan ba nila yung kalamangan na ginagawa ngayon ng 2003. And as we are witnessing right now, it is their ball possession. Almost loses it on the side of 2003. No good. Now, Briella, solong-solo dito sa kabilang side ng court. And they're lessening the gap here. But still, there's a lot of things to work out on the side of 2002.
And now the ball is back on the side of Batch 2003 na umaarangkada ngayon, an attempt for 3. And this time, look at that. Back-to-back points on the side of 2002. So, is it the beginning of that catch-up and bounce back because of that low moral on our first quarter? Yan ang aabangan natin because at this moment, nagiging maganda yung defense on the side of 2002. That's why there's a lot of passing, long pass na talaga namang na-open na libreng-libre dito yung court na kanilang pinagsushootan dito. So, that's why itong ating batch 2003, no room for complacency because malayo-layo pa dito ang ating fourth quarter. So, anything can happen inside the court. So, let's see as this game progresses.
Yes, really observe that during this halfway of our second quarter na nakadalawang sunuran ng mga fast break itong ating 2002. Wala nang nakakabanday doon sa mga players nila. So I think they really need to work out on their defense here as we continue this quarter and also this game. Because sabi mo nga, Rick, no room for complacency here even with that big gap, a double-digit lead of 2003. Most especially, we're talking about the defending champions. So it's anyone's basketball game, kailangan na lang talaga nilang gawin yung best nila 100% para sa kanilang mga laro dito. So let's see. This is once again an opportunity for 2002 to lessen that gap. Dire-diretso dito. Now, Lumberio passes to Tata. They're taking their time here with only 8 seconds to shoot. Ronquillo. An air ball para dito kay Tata and he is down. He asked for a screen from Ronquillo, but now he is down. Actually, Tata is one of the key players here on the side of 2002. His presence gave a big impact on their team. So let's see as we continue this second quarter, 4 minutes and 43 seconds. Jersey number 21 to inbound. Now to Vargas, tatawid ng bola dito. 2003 settling in for this ball possession. Vargas passes on the corner for jersey number 4. Paz gets it.
Again, Batch 2003 is doing a great job para dito sa ating pangalawang quarter, making sure na yung runs na ginagawa dito on the side of 2002 is hindi sapat para mahabol dito yung kalamangang hawak ng kanilang kupunan. And a foul was called to Bora on that last sequence. So, free throw shots will be given on the side of 2002 courtesy of jersey number 3. So good on that first attempt. Let's see on his second try kung madadagdagan ba dito itong 18 points on their side. Unsuccessful. Now Vargas passing it to his teammate. Too strong on that. Turnover on their side. So batch 2002 with the ball possession. You need to maximize every ball possession they've got. Jersey number 16 forcing that one and losing the ball. Again, the defense on the side of Batch 2003 damang-dama dito sa ating pangalawang quarter, making it hard on their opponent to commit or have a point conversion.
Let's see, 2003 once again with this ball possession. Passes on the inside. No good. Second chance point para dito sa Batch 2003. While they continue to make points here, widening the gap for our second quarter, 36-18. So let's see here, 2002 naghahanap dito ng puntos. Look at that defense. And jersey number 3, Priela was there. Big man dito sa side ng 2002. Hindi na kaya nandun ni Paz yung opensa dito ni Priela. Now let's see on the side of 2003. Three-pointer, no good. Priela with that rebound. Now Tata. Higpit na bantay sa kanya dito. Passes to jersey number 43. Now Eva. With 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Tata. Almost loses it. Look at that defense. Bantay sarado sa dito na Chan Coco. Now a substitution on the side of 2002.
Now the ball possession still on the side of 2002. Priela to Eva with 12 seconds to shoot. But a traveling violation was called to Priela on that last sequence. Very crucial for that error. And now Chan Coco tatawid ang bola sa side ng batch 2003. Passing it to Paz. An attempt for 2, no good. Offensive rebound. This time, Borja on that corner for 3. Napakalinis. A clean basket on that last sequence coming from Borja. So another 3 points was added on their side. Tata, unsuccessful. And now Vargas, long pass to jersey number 13. No good. Offensive rebound. Wow. Napakabilis at napaka-effective ng ginagawa dito ng side ng batch 2003. So, a turnover, unfortunately, on the side of batch 2003. And a timeout was called on the side of Ateneo batch 2003. 39-20 is our score. Still, the lead is on the side of 2003.
So right now, 39-20. A minute and 49 seconds remaining po dito sa ating first half ng ating laro. And of course, bago po tayo magpatuloy, pasalamatan po muna natin ang ating mga sponsors. We have Ateneo de Naga High School Batch 2000, Adno Gaa, PLDT, Jira TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Oragon Basketball League, 3N Bakery, Casa Moderna, Digigraphics, Mary's Coffee, Jana Cafe, Bergbox, Daligold Delivery, Chic Magnet, Carmelos Cafe and Grill, California Palms Resort, Hotel del California, DLP Printing Services, Jag Sportswear, Kitty Sportswear, Taylor Swift, Manoy's Grill, Sloppy Lemon, Mr. Juan Nino Perez, Hardshed Construction Supply, at kay Mr. Neil Harvey Salazar. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors ngayong araw na ito. Now, we are back to the ball game here. 39-20, a minute and 46 seconds remaining para dito sa ating second quarter. Now, Tata with the ball. Looking for his teammate, Eva. Long 2 on the corner, no good. Vargas with that rebound. Nagmamadali dito. Passes to his teammate. No good. Vargas, second chance. But a whistle foul para dito sa side ng 2002. Vargas will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. Now Vargas, 2 free throws bibigay sa kanya dito. First free throw. That's good. Now let's see for his second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito kay Vargas. Now an opportunity for 2002. Back again. 20-point gap. Hindi na ibababa ng 2002 yung kalamangan ngayon ng 2003. Now Tata with the ball. Looking for his teammates. Asking for a screen. Now on the other side. Still no good here. Priela nakikipag-agawan dito. but a whistled foul. Riela. Talagang all in para dito sa ating second quarter. They will inbound the ball on their side. A minute and 5. 14 seconds to shoot on the side of Dos Mildos. Riela. Naipasa niya pa dito sa kabila. Vargas with the ball. Libre. Pinagkaisahan siya ng tatlong gwardiya doon sa side ng Dos Mildos. Not knowing that there's another player inside. Taking advantage of that play.
No good. Back on the side of Batch 2003. Last 30 seconds for this first half. And wow! A basket count. Again, this Batch 2003 is giving us a good basketball. Napakaganda ng inilalaro dito ng kanilang batch. Jersey number 12 on that free throw line. So, a 3 points para dito kay jersey number 12. Now, Dos Mildos. On the offense, Priela. Heavily guarded by pass here. Goes inside 4-2. And it is good. Last 9 seconds of this first half. Loses that one. Priela to Tata. And that's it. That's the end of our first half. 46-22. Batch 2003 looking good. We will be right back for our second half. Dito lang sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwata. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwata. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And we are back inside the Ateneo covered court for our third quarter. The second half of this championship round para sa ating juniors division. It's between the batch 2003 and batch 2002. And as we can see, batch 2003 dominating our first and second quarter. At medyo nahihirapan nga itong batch 2002 o ang 2002 to execute a gameplay here, most especially with that kind of defense on the side of 2003, as well as hindi lang po sa depensa nagpapakitang gilas itong 2003. Even with their defense, talagang all of their players contributing well para sa kanilang koponan. Once again, this is our championship. Kaya kailangan talagang bigay todo itong ating dalawang koponan. So after the second quarter, ano ang gagawin ng Dos Mildos para bawiin yung momentum na ginawa dito ng 2003 sa ating first half. Well, they really needed to wake up and execute game plans. Now, Borja. To inbound here on the side of 2003. Change court na po tayo. Jersey number 31. Pass to 12. Halyores loses that ball. Tata was there to snatch it. Na Priela. Diretso dito. 4 na players. Sinong gaban talaga dito ni Priela? Well, he is a big man here. He is the tallest player inside the court right now. Now let's see here as we continue this. Tata to inbound. 46-22. That's a big gap of 2003. Tata looking for his teammates. Passes here to Rompilio. Now on the other side, Priela against Navarroza. No good. But offensive rebound here. Tata once again with the ball. Pull-up jumper. That's good. Well, they needed more of that from Tata. And the rest of the players of 2002 to lessen the gap that 2003 worked hard during that first half. Now Navarroza passes here to Rico, or Biko rather. Uses that ball. Now 2002 with the ball possession here. Vargas checks in once again on the side of 2003. Well, kung nakita natin during that second quarter, Vargas talaga yung nag-step up dito for his team. And we are looking forward for more beautiful plays from the side of 2003 as well as on the side of 2002. Now, Tata with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot here. Heavily guarded here. Try for a pull-up jumper once again. But Priela, offensive rebound. Now Vargas with the ball. Passes to Borja. Same ball possession here. Vargas, no good. Chance for 2002. Tata with the ball. Now jersey number 12. 2003, 46-24 on our scoreboard. Passes to Vargas, now to Navarroza. One of the key players to Halyores. Same ball possession here. Last touch ni Repilio. No, Vargas to inbound. Ball possession of 2003. And to hear an update from the side of 2002, let's hear it from Casey.
Tin and Rick, we are now on the second half of this game and the players are just really enjoying the game pero at the same time, seryoso at locked in pa rin ang laban. On the side of Batch 2002, medyo behind pa rin sila sa score at kailangan nilang habulin ang kalaban. On some possessions, nahihirapan pa rin silang i-convert ang open shots at napipilitan sa ilang plays. The good news though is may pagkakataon pa rin silang makabawi. Kailangan lang nilang higpitan ng depensa at manatiling composed on every play. Now, let's see how this quarter would turn out for the team. Kaya naman for now, back to the panel.
And thank you so much, Casey, for that update. So yun nga, they need to work hard for every point for them to be able to win this match. So let's see with this 7 minutes and 12 seconds remaining for this third quarter kung aarangkada pa ba ang kanilang kupunan. And now, a free throw coming from Priela. Unsuccessful on that first one. And to hear an update on the side of the Ateneo Batch 2003, let's call our courtside reporter Eliza. Hi Eliza, anong balita dyan? Ayan, babalikan natin din dito si Eliza. And now, Tata
Yan.
with the ball, passing it to his teammate with 13 seconds to shoot. And a whistle coming from our referee here. And a foul. Foul was called on the side of Batch 2003. And to hear an update, balikan natin si Eliza.
Teen and Rick, Batch 2003 already established a good game as we can see. Muling pumasok sa loob si Mr. Ian Chancoco, they're playing game. Isa si playing coach, isa si Mr. Chancoco sa bumabasa ng galaw ng kalaban, and now their team is already leading the game. They just need to maintain their good play. O much better nga, lamangan pang ito. They're doing this so-called eagle look while watching their players. Tutok na tutok talaga sila. At medyo mabilis din yung takbo ng laban. The split seconds are all important for this match. Yan munang balita dito sa court side. For now, balik sa inyo, Teen and Rick.
Thank you so much, Eliza, for that update. And right now, the 2003 is dominating this game, and they just need to maintain this one if they really want to get this championship win. 20-point lead of 2003. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining here para sa ating third quarter. Now let's see, ball possession of Dos Mildos, jersey number 19, to inbound. Looking for his teammates, passes to Priela. Priela looking, jersey number 1. He is free sa baba ng basket, and he took that advantage. Now Vargas with the ball on the side of 2003. Looking for his teammates. He is asking for a screen here. No good. Now Tata with that rebound. Dos Mildos looking for a point here. While the players from the side of Dos Mildos exhausted. Nasa third quarter pa lamang po tayo. Only 3 players were guarding. Tranquilo, no good. Now, an opportunity for 2003. This is really a match for stamina of our players. Now, jersey number 4, Chancoco. Passes to Borja. Heavily guarded by Priela. And there's a whistle foul called to Priela. At the time it was called here. 49-29, still a 20-point gap of Batch 2003. We are on our 5-minute mark.
And a quick shout out on our live viewers. Shout out kay Aljon Pogoy, kay Cristina Valenzuela, Carla Calleja, kay Rochelle Antonio, Karen K. Escaro, kay Dedray Labordo, kay Romilyn. Thank you so much po sa inyong panunood. And back to the ball game. 49-29 para dito sa ating pangatlong quarter, and still ayaw paawat itong Batch 2003. They really want this championship title for this AA League 2025. Now Vargas to inbound, passing it to pass. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Heavily guarded here. An attempt for 2. Unsuccessful. Now chance on the side of Dos Mildos to add their score. Priela. Tata. And this time, Tata is successful in getting a point on their side.
Now, let's see here kung magpapatuloy ba itong pagputos ng Dos Mildos, because it's a very comfortable lead coming from the side of 2003. But of course, sabi nga natin, no room for complacency here for both teams, most especially on the side of 2003 having that big gap here. Vargas nasa ilalim pero nakakuha siya dito ng foul. It was jersey number 24 with that foul. Binigyan na nga po ng warning itong si jersey number 43. Fourth personal, o 24 rather. Meron na siyang four fouls. Let's see Vargas, second free throw. No good. Possession na po ng 2002.
And now, 2002 basketball. Priela. Tatawin ang bola on their side. Chance for them to add their score here. And slowly but surely cut the lead. Nahawak ngayon, but a traveling violation was called on their side. A crucial error para dito sa side ng 2002. Again, you cannot give your opponent a free ball possession because again, ikaw ang naghahabol dito. Paz to jersey number 4, taking their time here. Paz with that 3. No good. Tata with that rebound on the side of 2002. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining. Taking their time here. Paz, or rather Tata. 5 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 43 for that 3 in that corner. No good. And now Borja nagmamadali. But a traveling violation to Borja on that last sequence. So Tata to inbound para dito sa 2002. Another opportunity for them. Lumberio this time ang mahawak ng bola.
We only have 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining for our third quarter. Lumberio gets it. Ngayon, unti-unti na pong binabawasan dito ng 2002 ang kanilang ang kalamangan po ng batch 2003. But still, they needed more to lessen that gap. Look at that defense coming from the side of 2002. Vargas passes to his teammate. Tries. No good. Nakakagawan dito. 2002 now on the offense. Priela. Settling in here. Heavily guarded. Back pass to Tata. But a whistled foul.
And now, the batch 2003 on the penalty situation. That's why Tata will be having free throw shots to add their score here. 50-33 is our score. Clean basket on that first one. Let's see on the second try. 2 minutes and 28 seconds remaining for this third quarter, and 2 basket was good. So back-to-back points on the side of 2002. And the ball possession bumalik dito sa side ng batch 2002. So this back-to-back ball possession, they need to convert a point. Priela to Tata. 14 seconds to shoot. Heavily guarded here. The ball stays on their side. 5 seconds to shoot for the 2002 team. Priela to inbound. No good on that 3-point attempt. Offensive rebound by Tata. And a foul again on the side of batch 2003. Now another opportunity to add on the side of Dos Mildos with his free throw.
A minute and 47 seconds remaining here. 50-35, 15-point lead of 2003. Only few minutes, few seconds remaining for this third quarter until we reach the fourth quarter of this game. And Tata, nakuha yung second basket. Still a long run for Dos Mildos. Now, jersey number 31, 20 seconds. Pass to jersey number 71. Now tries for a jumper, that's good. A minute and 2. Vargas with the ball, passes here to jersey number 31 for a three-pointer, no good. Kakagawan dito, Vargas.
Wow. Vargas again and again delivering on the side of batch 2003. Wow, Vargas leading their team. What would be the answer on the side of Dos Mildos? 14 to shoot and last 26 seconds for this third quarter. And ang ball possession mapupunta sa side ng batch 2003. Pass to inbound. Jersey number 31. Tualyores, and now pass. Last 10 seconds for this quarter. Loses that one. And the ball stays on the side of batch 2003. 6 seconds remaining.
54-40 right now, still a big gap coming from the side of 2003. And a three-pointer, what a good way to end it in the on the side of 2003. 57-40 on our scoreboard. We will be back for our final quarter of this championship game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa ala-ala. From Naga to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y mission. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat
And the final quarter is now on para dito sa ating Juniors Championship round between the batch 2003 and Dos Mildos. As we can see right now, nung tinapos po natin yung third quarter, 57-40, that's a 17-point lead of 2003. And this is the deciding quarter, everyone. And a good start para dito sa ating Dos Mil Dos. They just needed more of their game plays, execute their defense as well as their offense to add a point here. A whistled foul. Alam mo nga naman yung defense ang pinapakita ngayon ng Dos Mil Dos. Jersey number 25. Now, second free throw for jersey number 25. That's good. Now, Dos Mil Dos, Priela with the ball. Looking for his teammates, passes on the corner. Tries, no good. Vargas ngayon magtatawid. They needed more points here. They need to focus. No room for complacency right now. And speaking of that one, a three-pointer coming from jersey number 25. The game is alive for batch 2003 as we can see. They are on fire from the start of our first quarter up until the last quarter of this game. 60-42. Priela, no good. An opportunity here for batch 2003 once again. Vargas with the ball. Setting in with his teammates. Taking their time with 14 seconds to shoot here. Vargas asking for a screen here. Pass to Chancoko. Three-pointer. No good. An opportunity for Dos Mil Dos. Tata di derecho. Pass to Eva. What a good connection right there. And right now, papakinggan po natin kung ano ang gagawin ng batch 2003 ngayon sa ating final quarter, most especially nasa kanila yung kalamangan. To hear an update, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter, si Bless.
Fourth and final quarter. Nasa exciting part na po tayo ng laban. Batch 2003 is still leading this match. Ayaw talagang magpaawat. One thing is for sure, the team is so ready to win. Take note that they're playing with their seniors. And sabi nga sa akin kanina, sila lang naman daw ang naglalaro at naglalaban-laban few years ago. So this is such a good opportunity for them to reconnect with each other. However, with the status of this game, mainit hindi lang ang laban, kundi pati ang ulo ng mga players. But this is the true Atenista spirit, a spirit that will give us a one big fight. Yan muna ang balita dito sa Courtside. Balik sa inyo, Team and Rick.
And thank you so much for that, Eliza. So yun nga, the side of batch 2003, talagang mainit inside the court. Napakaganda ng ipinapakita dito sa atin ng kanilang kupunan, and they are really here not just to play, but of course to build connection, deeper connection with each other, because nabanggit nga dito ni Eliza kanina na sila din naman yung nagkaharap way back 2000. Talagang sila yung naghaharap always sa court. That's why this is their time again. So, nabanggit nga ni Eliza kanina, reconnect, and at the same time ibalik yung dating groove inside the court. And to hear an update on the other side of things, andito si Casey.
We are now on the fourth and final quarter, Rick and Teen, at ang bilis nga ng takbo ng laro. This will be the last chance of batch 2002 upang makabawi sa laro, kaya kailangan na talaga nilang ma-execute ng maayos ang opensa at higitan pa ang depensa upang hindi na makalusot ang batch 2003. Every play counts na ngayong fourth quarter at isang maliit na pagkakamali ay pwedeng maging malaking advantage sa kalaban. That's why they have to give it their all for this quarter upang makahabol sa score ng kabilang koponan. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey. Ayan, kailangan na nilang gawin ang lahat dito sa side ng Dos Mil Dos, knowing that this is the last quarter of this championship game. Depensa at opensa yung kailangan nilang gawin dito. But, you know, with this remaining minutes of our game and the kind of gameplay na pinapakita ngayon ng batch 2003, let's see kung kakayanin nga ba ng Dos Mil Dos na mabawasan yung kalamangan na ginawa dito ng 2003. So now let's see here. This is the ball game once again of 2003. Vargas to inbound. Now Ancheta with the ball. Recorded here by Tata. Tatlong players. 7 now. Snatches it. Passes to Priela. Big man. Double team. Evan now. No good. Vargas with that rebound. Asking for it for his teammates. Jersey number 12 on the corner for 4. No good. Offensive rebound. But there's a whistle from our referees. Now, jersey number 12 for 2 free throws. First free throw, no good. Second free throw, let's see. 6 minutes and 46 seconds remaining here for our final quarter. 63-45. Still on the lead. Ito po ating batch 2003. And simula pa, I think that was second quarter if I'm not mistaken. Hindi po na ibababa ng 2,002 yung kalamangan dito ng 2003 into just single digit. So right now, they need to work hard, double their effort. Most especially, we're about to have our halfway of this quarter. There's a whistled foul there on our last sequence. Natawagan dito ng foul si Eva, so Vargas will be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. Basket count para dito sa unang free throw ni Vargas. Now let's see for his second free throw. That's good. Well, the domination of 2003 is commendable here para sa ating championship round. Let's see, 2,002, Priela for a 3-pointer, no good. Hindi na nagawa ng paraan dito ng 2,002. So another opportunity for 2003 to widen this gap.
And now, ball possession ng batch 2003. And another foul was called on the side of 2,002. So great opportunity again to add the score here. And to make sure na mapupunta sa kanila ang kampiyonato this afternoon. Another clean basket. One more time for him. And a small collision on that last sequence between the players on the side of 2003 and 2,002. Priela and Vargas.
Well, si Priela isa sa mga players dito ng 2,002 na talagang grabe yung ipinakitang performance all throughout this game. So, let's commend him with his performance inside the court here for 2,002. So right now, let's see, with the absence of Priela, one of the key players on their side, sa kanyang depensa dito, tingnan natin kung anong pagbabago sa side ng 2,002 dito. But as we can see, 67-45, still a big gap yung na-build dito ng 2003 with only 5 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. Mahaba-haba pa yung ating minutong gugugulin para sa laban na ito. But let's see, if sa 5 minutong lagpas, magagawan ba ng paraan ng 2,002 na magawa ng paraan dito na mabawasan yung kalamangan. Now, Calandria, offensive rebound but a steal coming from Tata. No good on the 3-point attempt. Vargas with that rebound, securing that ball. Still a big opportunity here for 2003. Kaagawan ng bola. But Rempinio was the one who gets that ball. A basket count from the side of Dos Mil Dos. Napatawag na nga po ng timeout dito ang batch 2003. 4 minutes and 51 seconds remaining, 67-47. Still a 20-point gap of 2003.
So with this remaining 4 minutes and 51 seconds, what will the Dos Mil Dos do? What are the adjustment if they really want to bounce back from this gap na hawak dito ng batch 2003 and to defend their title here? Let's wait and see with this remaining 4 minutes and 51 seconds kung kanino mapupunta ang panalo. And back to the ball game. The ball possession goes on the side of Ateneo batch 2003.
Now, Calandria with the ball. Anong gagawin dito ng batch 2003 to secure the gap and close the game and get the championship? Jersey number 4, three-pointer. No good. Vargas, second chance point, wala pa rin. For the third time, it was Borja who gets it.
Bora and Vargas really works hard for their team here. And now another chance for them because it's their ball possession. 69-47 is our score. Borja may hawak ng bola dito sa kanilang kupunan, passing it to jersey number 3 for 3. No good. And last touch on the side of batch 2003. So Dos Mil Dos ang may hawak ngayon ng bola. Roa. Passing it to his teammate for 3. Unsuccessful. Again, the team Dos Mil Dos need to make sure that every ball possession makakapasok ang kanilang attempts. 14 seconds to shoot. Vargas to Aspe. Out of bounds. So the ball goes on the side of Dos Mil Dos. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining for this match. Lilaw to jersey number 19 for that long two. And a second chance point para dito sa Dos Mil Dos, and it was successful. Vargas itatawid ng bola. Badis for 3. No good. Offensive rebound. Aspe will try for 2. Wala pa rin. And now Dos Mil Dos on the offense. Lilaw. Naagawan nga dito ng bola. What a great steal coming from Vargas. Jersey number 88 for 2. Offensive rebound. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Heavily guarded here, but Aspe will try for 3. Magawa ng bola, and Lilaw gets that one on their side. Forcing that one, and hindi makakakuha dito ng puntos. Rebound coming from the batch 2003.
Well, we are about to be on our last 2 minutes of the game here. 69-49, still a 20-point gap of batch 2003. And we are just waiting for the few seconds, few minutes of this game. But as we can see, hindi pa rin nagpapakawala sa kanilang depensa itong batch 2003. At ayun na nga po, yung ating call dito sa side ng officials. Last 2 minutes and a traveling violation was committed on the side of batch 2003. Now Melo passes to Lilaw. 69-49, a minute and 55 remaining. Let's see ano pang gagawin dito ng 2,002 to lessen that gap against 2003. And the three-pointer coming from jersey number 31. The ball is still alive. The game is still on para dito sa 2,002. Three-pointer naman sa kabila. No good. Now an opportunity for 2,002. Abellano. Pass to jersey number 15. Abellano once again for a three-pointer. No good this time. Long pass. A risky one. Hindi na nga nagawa na para dito ng 2003. A minute and 12. Ilang segundo na lamang po till we hear the buzzer para dito sa ating championship game. Now passes here to Tranquilo. No on the corner, tries. No good. 49 seconds. 69-52. A big gap of batch 2003. And we are just waiting for the buzzer because it will be hard for 2,002 to lessen this gap. Bounce back. They should have done that earlier in this game. Abellano. No good. Once again, offensive rebound. Jersey number 24 naman. Wala pa rin. For the third time here. For 2,002. Still no good for 2,002. 30 seconds remaining. 69-52. Down to 24. Abellano is still. At ayun na nga po. We would like to congratulate the batch 2003 for winning this championship round against 2,002, the defending champion. At sa ating pagbabalik po, it will be the best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Meant for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atinista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Di lang para sa stats, kundi para sa alaala. From the gut to the court, may apoy sa dibdib. Rooted in truth, we arise, we believe. Hindi ka kalaban, ikaw ay kasama. Tinaban ng buhay, may tangal at suwaga. Men for others, we rise together. Pero hindi ka awain now and forever. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention.
That was a fiery matchup between Batch 2003 and 2002. And this time po mga kaibigan, nakuha nga po ng Batch 2003 ang panalo sa labang ito. At kasama po natin ngayon the best player of the game and also the former Golden Knights, jersey number 5, Julius Vargas. Hello po Mr. Julius Vargas, congratulations. Kumusta po kayo? Kumusta po ang lagay ng team?
First of all, thank you po sa ating mahal na Panginoon sa pagbigay ng lakas sa amin. So far, masayang-masaya kami kasi after a decade, ngayon lang naman kami nag-champion ulit. Pero hats off pa rin sa kalaban namin, Batch 2002. Kasi sila talaga ang defending champion for almost 13 years, I think.
Sir, ikaw po yung kumbaga naging alas ng team nyo. Did you prepare for this, sir? O siguro natural na lang na lumabas yung ganitong galing or adrenaline sa loob ng court?
Siguro, sabi nga namin yan dati, hindi kaya ng mag-isa lang. So I need to share the ball. Kasi kung tatauhin ako, dalawa o tatlo, may open na dalawa o isa. Kaya yun ang ginawa namin. Share the ball ako parati. Yun lang.
Sir, ano pong masasabi nyo na after how many years, sabi nyo nga after how many decades, bumalik kayo dito to play with your brothers, di ba? Mga seniors nyo pa.
Siyempre, masayang-masaya kasi nakita ko na naman sila. At the same time, yung panahon na namin, talagang kami nagkakalaban-laban yan. Lalo na yung batch 2002. And then yung iba pang mga Atenista na Manila-based, nagkita-kita naman kami. Lalo na yung sa mga kabatch ko.
Yan, as the best player of the game, sir, batiin nyo naman po ang mga kabatchmates nyo at sa lahat ng sumusuporta, syempre sa batch 2003.
Binabati ko yung batch ko sa batch 2003 sa buong mundo na nanonood sa live. Salamat sa suporta, sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating batch. And of course, binabati ko ang aking asawa, si Janine, and ang aking anak, si Julien. And sa aking sa coaching staff ng ACLC, sa head coach namin, si Coach JP, and of course kay Boss Adrian Litam. Salamat po.
Thank you so much and congratulations, Mr. Julius Vargas. Congratulations, Batch 2003, mga kaibigan. This is Mary Bless Eliza Balenang maghahatid sa inyo na siksik-liglig, walang labis, walang kulang mga tsikahan at balita sa loob at labas ng hardcourt. Congratulations and see you next game.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan. Hindi lang laro, ito'y misyon. Brotherhood in motion with pure intention. Sa bawat fast break, may dangal-dala. Values before skills.
Ligang Atenista. Kalaro, hindi kaaway.
And there you have it. Congratulations to Ateneo Batch 2003 for clinching their championship title dito sa AA League 2025. So, nabanggit nga dito ng kanilang best player na si Vargas na after a long hiatus of drought, talagang itong batch nila is very honored na makalaban ulit yung mga brothers nila, the defending champion for almost 13 years. And now breaking the championship title. So kudos on the side of Batch 2003 and also on the Batch 2002 for giving us a good fight this afternoon. Again, this is Rick Puerta.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan po natin ang ating last match para dito sa ating Alumni League 2025. It's our Seniors Championship round. Kaya tutok lamang po kayo only here on Oragon Sports TV.
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Laban, triple pass, pivot, walang iwanan, hindi lang laro.